No shit's given. Come on. Woo! Oh, Jesus.
Deep down on the bottom of a well, seagrass was all I found. An alternative hell, no more cookies in this jar that I take it too far. Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land.
6:45 in the morning. We're about to head out.
It's January. It's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit, a little above freezing. We are meeting the legend that is Naor life. The guy hit me up yesterday. Do you want to go and do the Polar Bear Plunge? What is that, right? And he's like, well, here's a video for research purposes.
It's pretty windy. In and out.
So, you know, I wanted to come up with an excuse to tell him no, but at the end of the day, I thought, you know what, hey, what's more interesting than jumping into the Atlantic Ocean in January? We are currently in the Cypress Hill area. I love riding on Saturdays because it's so peaceful. There aren't many cars. We are meeting Nero and two more guys, actually. Was able to convince two more knuckleheads to come and do this with me. We're gonna meet up somewhere along the path to Rockaway. All right, we are at the Belt Parkway on-ramp. Both ways, make sure it's clear. So just on our right side is the Belt Parkway. We're on the bike path. It's been here forever, you know. It's one of the most beautiful scenic ways to get to Rockaway, Coney Island, Brighton Beach, basically along the water on the southern tip of Brooklyn. This is a good way to get there.
You idiot!
Oh, what the f are you doing? Yo, gotta break that guy's mirror. Get his license plate. Look at that, license plate.
I woke up late.
That's all good. I also woke up late. He's one of the guys who's gonna do the Polar Bear Plunge. That was a coincidence. Just happened to bump into him. Woo, suspension, baby. Chewy's enjoying the Sherman S, clearly. All right, we just bumped into Nero. Now we have the organizer here. So we're about to cross the Marina Parkway Bridge into Rockaway Beach. Essentially, this is how you get onto the island. Bike lane is rather skinny, but the view is pretty darn good out here. The drop-off area, as soon as you get off the bridge, is called Jacob Riis Park. Jacob Riis was this journalist who did a lot for New York City. You had a lot of apartment buildings that were cash producing machines. The goal was to cram as many residents in there as you can, with rooms filled with just bunk beds and no light, no ventilation. The city did not have any sort of regulations to prevent this from happening. So Jacob Riis went into these apartments and took photographs of these horrid living conditions, was able to tell the world about the suffering of these people. Because of him, a lot of policies later came into place. For example, light and air policies that exist in New York City now. We're approaching Rockaway Beach right now. We see Mr. Suit, fourth member, zipping down the boardwalk. Ooh, he is zooming. What's up?
I see you, man. How you doing? You ready?
So we are on our way to Breezy Point on Rockaway Beach. This entire area actually used to be owned land, not accessible to the public. There were stories when Robert Moses came into power of him canoeing on his own to Rockaway Beach to find a way of how he can connect all the beaches along the southern tip of Brooklyn so that people from the city can come out here and actually enjoy an area like this. So I guess this is the end of the road. All right, I'm gonna leave mine here too. We left our wheels over there for fear of sand damage. That's the end of those set of bearings, that's for sure. Yep. It's like a ritual or something. All right, we're about ready to go. So we're going one at a time, trying to avoid certain angles, you know? Ready? Jesus Christ, the dude dove right in. You go next. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was craziness. You're a crazy person. This is shocking. It's like takes your breath away for sure. Like adrenaline immediately. Once you're in there, it's calming, you know? And it's also like, it's nice to have like conquered a challenge, something hard. Good job. There's the crew. Everybody's alive. We survived dipping in the ocean in January. That was pretty crazy, but I feel good. It's invigorating. All because of that guy. Nero life, baby. Legendary.